Simple present. Hello and welcome to our video on verb tenses. In this video, we will be focusing on the simple present tense, a verb tense that is used to describe actions or states that are currently happening or are always true. The simple present tense is often used to describe habits and routines. For example, I always brush my teeth before bed, or, he often plays video games on the weekend. Examples of the simple present tense in sentences. I work as a teacher. She sings in the choir. They walk to school every day. He plays the guitar on weekends. She studies for exams every night. I eat breakfast every morning. The sun rises in the east. To form a sentence in the simple present tense, we use the base form of the verb. For example, I walk to work, he talks on the phone, they play soccer. It's important to note that with third-person singular subjects, we add s or s to the base form of the verb. For example, she walks to work, he talks on the phone, it rains today. Conclusion. In conclusion, the simple present tense is a useful verb tense that allows us to express actions or states that are currently happening or are always true. Remember to use the base form of the verb for all subjects except for third-person singular subjects, which require s or s to be added to the base form. Thanks for watching and we hope you found this video helpful.